It might be time for new tires. Worn tires can make driving unsafe. Shallow treads can double your stopping distance on wet roads compared to new tires. Knowing when to replace your tires is important. A few things to look out for are uneven wear or damage to the tires and low tread depth. To check your treads, place a penny head first into a few of your tires' tread grooves. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, your treads are shallow, worn, and it's time to replace your tires. General tires are designed to ensure you experience the best performance, handling, and safety. Our factory-trained and certified service techs will securely install your new General tires to get you back on the road quickly. Don't forget to ask about any current sales or rebates on General tires, because giving you a great deal makes our day as much as yours. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.